5 seconds. Start. Having given our thoughtful consideration to the submissions, we are unable to accept the same full stop. We say so for the reasons that, in terms of the directions issued by this court, services of guest faculty teachers were required to be dispensed with, and that order was duly upheld by the Supreme Court. Full stop. However, the cut-off date was extended from time to time for one or the other reason. The learned single judge has found no rhyme or reasons for extending such date hitherto, as there appears to be lack of bona fide on the part of state authorities is not honoring the previous court directions which have attained finality. Full stop. There appears to be some sort of collusion between guest faculty teachers and the authorities for the reasons best known to the latter, who have been taking one or the other stances, sometimes contradictory also, with a view to retain the guest faculty teachers instead of making regular requirements. Full stop. There are concerted efforts to defy the court's directions and create a situation where the court becomes helpless in giving time bound directions. Full stop. The resultant effort is that from last more than 3 years, the guest faculty teachers whose total are exceeding and out of whom have been identified as surplus are still retained in service, may be so as to preserve the vote bank, or for the reasons other than merit, administrative or public interest. Full stop. It has been specifically observed by this court that cut-off date fixed by this court as observed by the Supreme Court was not adhered to, and further that there appears to be same sort of collusion between the guest teachers and the authorities for the reasons best known to them, who had been taking contrary stand. Full stop. With a view to retain the guest teachers' regular requirements were not made. Full stop. There had been concerted efforts to defy the court's directions and create a situation where the court becomes helpless. Full stop. Another important fact which was stated by learned additional advocate journal appearing for the state was that on computerization of the entire data and verification process, it was found that as against registration of about 22 lakhs students in different government schools in the state of Haryana, about 4 lakhs admissions were found to be fake. Full stop. The court directed the government of Haryana to inquire into the matter and produce the status